I traveled almost 8,000 kilometers by train from Europe to Mongolia, which is home to wild-growing hemp and shamans. Since the 13th century, cannabis has been used for shamanic rituals. This was when Genghis Khan began to worship Tengrism, a form of shamanism unique to Mongolia. After disasters, the Mongolians consult a shaman to restore the balance between the physical and spiritual world. Shamanism is becoming more important again, as the consequences of the ecological crisis are especially impacting herder families and their livestock, which has difficulties to survive the extreme weather conditions. A small company, Hemp Mongolia, has started to combine the traditional knowledge about wild cannabis with the European knowledge about industrial hemp.
My name is Anar Artur. Just one plant can do so many things. It's just alone this fact is really fascinating. Let's free the plant.
Creating a new strain of industrial hemp fitted to grow in the extreme climate of Mongolian steppe. Hopes are to help an increasingly stressed population to adapt to the effects of the climate crisis. I wondered, is cannabis still used during shamanic rituals despite it being illegal? I traveled over 1,000 kilometers through steppe and taiga with Anar, the founder of Hemp Mongolia, to meet a shaman. Here I experienced my first shamanic ritual and got answers to my questions.